Hello my people, it's about speaking here once again with another update. First of all, let me say that I fucked up. I fucked up really bad because there's this particular long-term platform. Sorry for that. This particular long-term platform have been there for some time now, and I've been tracking them. I forgot about them, and I was doing a lot of things. So I first of all, let me just show you the reason why you kind of don't need to miss this particular platform. Let me start from this. Me and my team tracked their payments wallet, and as you can see, this is just yesterday night. We tracked the payments wallet, and as you can see, they're currently having $21,481 on their payments wallet. As in, these guys are not planning to pack up right now. And this one is another payment wallet which we tracked yesterday. This is Warner Music payment wallet. This particular one have 18 USDT currently, and TRS 661 TRS currently waiting for in case there is any charge fee for withdrawal. So guys, this particular platform is ready and they are not about to pack up. And one last thing about this particular platform which amazes me is that you can complete tasks on this particular platform and withdraw your funds, your capital and your gain anytime, any day, guys. It's so amazing. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Warner Music. Warner Music is a platform where you guys can listen to music by completing tasks to listen to music to help musicians that is not that popular to stream their music. So it's very simple, and I'm kind of a novice on this particular platform. I won't lie to you guys, so I might be making some little mistakes here which you guys can be learning from, you understand? So once you see me doing a mistake here, just bear it in mind that this is my first time using the platform. I heard about the platform before and I didn't take it serious, but right now I want to take it serious, and you guys know what this channel is for. Once Zubi finds something that he wants to make money with, instantly I make a video about it and I post it on the channel for those of you that are interested in it to start making money with it. So first thing first is to go back to your finance over here. Go to your my section over here. You will see that you have nothing account at all. So first thing you have to do is to go ahead and recharge. So minimum tax here is $30, but don't worry, after the $30 you get extra money and then you can withdraw it if you want to do it instantly. You don't need to be afraid. You can withdraw your capital and your gain instantly after the tax have been completed. So what I want to do now is to click on this place to say that says recharge. So I'm gonna recharge with this $30. You can see the lateral balance is $30, so you can do it $100 or whatever. So I want to recharge $30. Minimum is $30. So I will enter 30 and then click on confirm recharge. It's gonna give me the wallet address just like you guys normally know. So let me copy the wallet address and head over to my account now. So I imputed 32 here because first of all, the site is gonna give me some kind of charges, and also Binance is charging $1 per withdrawal as far as it's in TRC USDT. And remember, you are gonna withdraw it. You are gonna enter both deposit and withdrawal is being done with TRC USDT network. So right now my withdrawal is now processing. So right now you can see that the withdrawal is now completed. So the first thing you have to do is to go ahead and screenshot this your withdrawal. First of all, once you screenshot it, then copy this your wallet hash, this transaction hash over here. Copy this transaction hash and then head over to the site. So back to the site, first thing you have to do is to click on upload document, and it's going to take you over to your file and then enter this particular screenshot you made about the recharge screenshots you made. So once you're done with it, enter the transaction hash you copied from, be it Binance or wherever you copied it from. So once you're done entering it, then click on this place that says confirm recharge, and it's gonna confirm it for you. As you can see, the recharge is now submitted successfully. And now let's go back to your account. So right now let me know when the recharge is gonna reflect on my account. So now we are on my available balance. You see that my 31 USDT was deposited. That means just like I told you guys, I might be making a little mistake. I thought there will be a charge when I was depositing, but the only charge was Binance charges. So I'm having extra $1 from my recharge. So the next thing I have to do now is to go back to my home page. So the home page is gonna load up now, and let's see how it's going. So since I deposited $30, what I will do now is to be looking for music that are up to $10. Don't just play $30 or $10 worth music once. Just go over, let's click on more here. Follow this my footstep according to what I got from my upliner. Remember, I also have an upliner. From my upliner, you see my upliner says, since I'm going with $30, let me go. I'll be looking for music that worth $10 here over here. So this is the first music that was $10. So if I click on this particular music now, let's see what it will be for us. You will see the music that it is. So it will ask us how many you want to purchase. So I will confirm the purchase of $10. So as a successful operation now. And if you go back to my balance, available balance, you see that $10 have been deducted from it. Don't worry, let's go. And since I have around $21 on my account, what I will do again now is to go over to this particular one that is worth $11, and then I will click on confirm purchase. It will confirm it, and then you will see that the price is now successful. So what I will do is to go back to the music section again, and then continue looking for music for $10. As you can see, I found another music of $10. So if I click on it right now, it's gonna give me another music of $10, and I click on this place, says confirm purchase, and as you can see, the purchase is now successful. So now I don't have anything on my account. If I go back to my available balance now, you see that nothing is now in my available balance. Look at it over here. So here on my available balance, you see that I have nothing on my available balance. And if I go over to my task over here, income, let me check income. Let me know how it works. So you see that my available balance, I have nothing on my available balance, and my frozen asset is $31. And if you go over to my record, the record that I played, you see that it is more. Look at it. If you click on more here, you see it. It's now processing and processing. I think 3 music that I bought is now processing. So you earn based on how much you earn from based on how much you deposited, from the minimum amount, which is $30, to the maximum amount, which is $1,000. You will earn according to how much you deposited. So I go with how much which is how much I can afford to lose, which is the minimum recharge, that is $30. And now we are gonna wait for 2 hours. So this is 11:22 a.m. Nigerian time, Lagos time. So let's wait for 2 hours coming. It's gonna be in this hour completed album, and then we continue the video. So it has been 2 hours since I'm done with the task, and as you can see, my available balance is now $31.74. So let me check if there is a bonus, because I heard there's the kind of bonus once you on your first deposit. So if I go over to my tax over here, you see that they gave me 15 voucher. Look at it, 15 voucher, and I'm going to use the 15 voucher. So according to the information I have, all I have to do is to click on this 100%, and you will see that I have received this 15 voucher right here. So if I go back to my task now, I will go ahead and complete task with it. So since I have 17 voucher here, that means I'm gonna use it to complete tax of around $17. So what I have to do now is to go back to home page, click on home page, and it's gonna load up a bit. You guys are gonna see the amazing thing about this particular platform. So just look at it. So what I need to do is just to go over to any $10 music, and then select the $10 music over. And once I select the $10 music, it's gonna take me over to that place. So instead of clicking on purchasing one, what I have to do now is to edit this one to 17, and then click on this particular place that says I will select voucher payment. So click on voucher payment, and then and let me know if I select this 17 now, it's gonna work. So if I click on confirm purchase, you see that I've confirmed purchase. That means I use the voucher to complete task, and as you can see here, the estimated profit is going to be $5.10. So as you can see, the operation is now successful. And if I go back to my account right now, you will see that my voucher, I don't have any voucher anymore. So now I'm waiting for the another 2 hours for the task I used my voucher to buy to be completed. So after the next couple of hours, it's actually more than 2 hours, because I went somewhere and I just came back to house. And after the next couple of hours, you see that the balance have completed. So from $31 to now $35.82, that's what I made from today's tax. So this is a very long-term platform, and I'm not planning to withdraw now, because I'm going to run it for a week. It's a compounding platform where the amount you have, the amount you earn per day depends on the amount you have currency on your account. And let me give you a tip: you can easily deposit a good amount of money there, complete the task and withdraw everything, then leave at least minimum of $30 to start making money. That is your choice. I did this one. Let me just use this one to test run it, but I just gave you guys an expo on how to make a good amount of money from it. So that is it. There is not much talk in it. Maybe in my next video on this particular platform, I will make a live withdrawal, and anytime I want to withdraw from it, I make a live withdrawal. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from it, and remember, apply your wisdom whenever you are doing anything online. Invest what you can afford to lose. Invest what you can afford to lose. This is a long-term platform, but use your head. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too relaxed with anything. My name is Zubike, and this is LBK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.